Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Tuesday 11th August 2020 and you know that yesterday we completed our chapter number 4 worksheet and I'm sure आप सब ने ये chapter number 4 की worksheet complete की होगी अपनी notebooks में. If you have got the facility to take the print, आपने ये इसका print out लिया होगा और इसको complete कर लिया होगा. Alright. Now today we are going to start another chapter and this new chapter is about mountains of Pakistan. In our previous chapter we discussed mountains and the new chapter is about the mountains of Pakistan. So can you tell me please that what is the difference between mountain and hill and what are mountains? Yes, correct. Mountains are a huge landforms that rise above the surrounding land and they are made of rocks and earth, right? And those who are less than 600 meters, those are called hills. So today we are going to talk about the mountain ranges of Pakistan, and for this one I would like you to open up your textbook page number 25. Alright, we completed our chapter number 4, right? So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, mountains in Pakistan. Alright, so before starting that, let me introduce you the key words of this one chapter, right? Inhospitable, route, slow, tourist, reserve, drive, tectonic. Inhospitable means not welcoming, or you can say that a place which is not generous to visit. It is difficult to survive there. Inhospitable. Route means a particular way or direction. Slope means the surface that lies at an angle to the horizontal, so that some points on it are higher than others. You see, आपने देखा ये mountains है ना? You see these mountains. अब ये for example यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक mountain है. You see, so ये mountain क्या है? Slope है. इसकी ये जो side है, this is slope. Tourist, someone who visit a place for pleasure or for enjoyment, recreational trips. Reserve, to keep something for a particular purpose. किसी चीज़ को एक particular purpose के लिए जब आप save कर लेते हैं, that is called reserve. Drive, derive, to get something from something. किसी चीज़ से जब आप कोई चीज़ derive करते हैं, that is called when you get something from something else. Tectonic is something that is related to the structure of surface of the earth and the way it is formed, changed and moved by forces inside. So that is called tectonic. जब हमारी जो planet earth है उसकी surface और उसके structure से related कि वो किस तरह से बनती है, उसमें क्या changes आते हैं, कैसे वो forces के साथ अंदर से move करती है, that's all about tectonic. Alright, so before starting mountains of Pakistan, let's take a look at the map, Pakistan map, so we can outline different mountain ranges of Pakistan. For this one I would like you to show this atlas map. Alright, here we can see different mountain ranges. I'm sure you are familiar with these mountain ranges because in our previous chapter number 4, mountains, we discussed these mountain ranges of Pakistan. Alright, so these are the different mountain ranges of Pakistan. Let me show you closely. This is Karakoram range, right? This is Himalaya, Hindu Kush, you see. Alright, as I told you earlier in my previous lessons that a map is always studied with the help of key. Map को हमेशा हम key की help से study करते हैं. आप ये देख रहे हैं, ये प्लेन जहाँ पे ग्रीन है वहाँ पे प्लेन होगा, जहाँ पे येलो है वो डेजर्ट को इंडिकेट कर रहा है, और ये जहाँ पे माउंटेन्स हैं ये माउंटेन का एक सिंबल बना हुआ है. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज सिम्बल्स एंड कीज़ हम मैप को रीड करते हैं. मैप स्किल्स हमारी किस तरह से इम्प्रूव होती हैं? व्हेन वी रीड दिस वन की केयरफुली. माउंटेन, रिवर, ये ब्लू लाइन इंडिकेट कर रही है रिवर को, इंटरनेशनल बाउंड्री एंड प्रोविंशियल बाउंड्री एंड लेक. सो नाउ we are going to mark the mountains. So you see these are the mountains: Hindu Kush mountains, Karakoram mountains, Himalaya, Safed Ko, right? Suleiman range. ये कौन सा प्रोविंस आ गया हमारा? बलोचिस्तान, राइट? बलोचिस्तान और ये पंजाब. Then Kirthar range, you see, Kirthar range, Toba Kakkar range, right? So these are different mountain ranges of Pakistan. All right, these are the directions, cardinal directions: north, south, east and west, you see. So now let's read the information given on our textbook, page number 25. All right, Pakistan is blessed with mountains that are an attraction for geologists and mountain climbers from all over the world. Now Pakistan has more than 100 peaks that are above 7,000 meters, you know, 7,000 meters. So out of the world's 14 highest peaks, 5 are in Pakistan. पूरी वर्ल्ड में, पूरी दुनिया में जो 14 हाईएस्ट पीक्स हैं, उनमें से 5 पीक्स जो हैं, अल्लाह ताला हैज़ ब्लेस्ड पाकिस्तान विद दोज 5 पीक्स. 14 में से 5 पीक्स पाकिस्तान में. ऑलराइट, व्हाट इज़ द पर्पस बिहाइंड हाईलाइटिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन? हम ये हाईलाइटर्स क्यों यूज़ करते हैं बुक पे? We highlight the important information because this information is very important for our MCQs, multiple choice questions, objective type, true false, fill in the blanks. So ये matching columns, उसके लिए ये information हमारे लिए बहुत important है. Alright, the famous mountain ranges of Pakistan are Himalayas, Karakoram, Hindu Kush, Suleiman Kirthar, Toba Kakkar and Salt Range, right? One by one you will highlight the names of mountain ranges. Alright, let me show you these mountain ranges once again. Right, you see Karakoram, Himalayas, Hindu Kush, Safed Ko, right? Suleiman Range, Kirthar Range, Toba Kakkar Range, right? So these are the important mountain ranges of Pakistan. Now, the Great Himalayas. The Great Himalayas are considered to be the roof of the world by the people of Central and South Asia. You see, the Himalayas stretch continuously for about 2,400 kilometers from the east to the west and are to the south of the Karakoram range. So Himalaya range जो है वो कहाँ है? That is on the south of Karakoram range. You see, and this is the Himalaya range, the Great Himalaya, and it is considered the roof of the world. Which mountain range is considered the roof of the world? This one range, Himalaya range, is considered the roof of the world. All right, and it continuously, you know, it stretches continuously. This mountain range stretches continuously for about 2,400 kilometers from the east to west and are to the south of the Karakoram range. All right, now there is another information box given on our book, page number 25, that Himalaya, the Himalayan mountain system, stretches across 6 countries including Bhutan, Tibet, India, Nepal, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Alright, so इसका मतलब है कि हिमालयन माउंटेन जो है वो कितने कंट्रीज़ में स्ट्रेच किया हुआ है, उसने कितने कंट्रीज़ तक फैला हुआ है, कहाँ तक गया हुआ है? 6 countries. So this is an important information for MCQ as well. And can you name the countries? Yes, Bhutan, Tibet, India, Nepal, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Alright, so these are the 6 countries the Himalayan mountain stretches across. Alright, so this is the important information regarding Pakistan, mountain ranges of Pakistan, that Pakistan has more than 100 peaks that are above 7,000 meters, and out of world's 14 highest peaks, 5 are located in Pakistan. And Himalayas are located in the northeastern part of Pakistan, and Himalaya mountain system stretches across 6 countries, and this is the important information related to Himalaya. Now it's time to look at the diary. Alright children, today's diary is, you have to label the mountain ranges on the map of Pakistan as homework. Alright, so this is the worksheet you are supposed to complete, right? And आपने यहाँ पे इसमें आपने mountain ranges को आपने label करना है, पाकिस्तान के जो important mountain ranges हमने आज discuss किए. This is the worksheet which is to be attempted as homework, right? And label the given map with the mountain ranges given below. Kirthar range, Suleiman range, the Great Himalayas, Karakoram, Hindu Kush and Safed Ko. With the help of मैप एटलस पिक्चर, आप इससे यू कैन यूज़ इंटरनेट एज वेल। आपने ये माउंटेन रेंजेस जो हैं पाकिस्तान के, इनको यहाँ पे लेबल करना है, राइट। दिस इज़ द आउटलाइन मैप ऑफ पाकिस्तान, यू सी। सो आपने इसको यहाँ पे लेबल करना है इन माउंटेन रेंजेस को। फॉर दिस वन, to help you out, I want to show you this one map as well. You can see these are the different mountain ranges: Kirthar range, Suleiman range, the Great Himalayas, Karakoram, Hindu Kush and Safed Ko. This is Karakoram range, you see, this is Karakoram range, and this one is Himalaya. This is Suleiman range, Kirthar range and Safed Ko and Hindu Kush, right? So that's how you will label the mountain ranges of Pakistan on the given map. Alright, so that's how you will complete your homework. This is your diary for today. Thank you very much for joining us. Look after yourself, stay home, stay safe.